Hi everyone, welcome to Elegant Brigade, and today I'll be sharing you a Lush inspired lip scrub made out of chocolate. So let's get started. I used a teaspoon of powdered sugar, a quarter of a teaspoon of shredded Amul dark chocolate, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cocoa powder. It is Cadbury cocoa powder. Lush has used jojoba oil, but I'm using almond oil instead because it is available with me. Almond oil does not alter the taste of the lip scrub. I'm using a quarter of a teaspoon of extra virgin almond oil. I have added 2 drops of vanilla essence. I have used Amul Tanzania chocolate noir here. You need to mix up all the ingredients, and I did it off the camera because I licked my finger. It is yummy. If you are a busy person and do not have much time to do this chocolate scrub, you can click on the I button to check out my video in which I'm showing you to do your lip scrub while brushing. Meanwhile, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Elegant Brigade, and please do not forget to comment down below. My lip scrub doesn't seem to be the exact similar as that of Lush, but you can use Nestle Classic Chocolate instead to get the same appearance. I'm doing a quick hand swatch here, and I have sprayed some rose water onto my hands and then using this lip scrub to massage in gentle circular motion. You can store this lip scrub for up to 2 weeks in refrigerator. I'll be exfoliating my lips as well, but as you can see they are in a pretty decent condition and I do not need any scrubbing. I'll be taking a small amount onto the fingers and then massaging it onto my lips, and I haven't used any water, so I need to give some time so that the chocolate melts, and I'm massaging all through the time, and when the chocolate melts you can see it has a nice brown color to it. Now you can lick this product. It is 100% edible, but I'm using a tissue to wipe off from my face and following up with a lip balm, Biotique Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. The review for the same is there on my channel, and you can click the I button to get onto that review. It is a fairly nice lip balm and you can get a lightening effect by using this. Do check out that video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So finally, the Brigade way. Please do not hesitate. Join the Elegant Brigade. Take care. Bye bye.